Welcome to Stock Talk with Scott. This is Scott, your host. We had a pretty good day in the market today. Green across the board. A couple of new records. The S&P, I believe, and the NASDAQ both set new records. Not so in the Dow, but the Dow did have a good day. So let's just go ahead and jump in and take a look at those markets and as well as our portfolio. Let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see here, Dow Jones up 174 points. We've got the S&P 500 at 24 points up, and we've got the NASDAQ up 107 points. So good days across the board there on the market. Our portfolio, we got 4 out of the 7 were actually green. Got a couple that were kind of flat, and then we got one that still can't seem to find the bottom. So let's talk about our stocks there. X was one of those flat ones today. Pretty much didn't go anywhere. It did have a little dip in the day here, as you can see in the little small chart here, but it fought its way back pretty much to flat area, 0.5% down. We bought in at 912, I think it was, and in the cash account and 907 or something in IRA. So we're holding those for a little while. This one here, Pelotron, we still holding that one. They did have a good day. You see here it went up 74 cents, closed up 266. For the day, it was actually had some highs even higher than that, but we're still going to watch that one a little bit longer. We're still down 1.75%, 76% on that one, but it did have some good little run today. Looks like maybe hopefully it's found that bottom. And we're going to start turning in the right direction now. A lot of times when you buy these stocks, you're not going to pick the highs, not picking the lows. We're just going to wait for them to make the moves, and then we sell them. So this one looks like it might be headed in the right direction now. Hopefully, we'll see tomorrow. But we're only at 1.79% down on that one. I think it is. So we'll keep an eye on that one close tomorrow. If it has another good day, if it has another 4 or 5% run, we may take our money on that one as well. NVAX, of course, we talked about that one a good bit last night, and the news that was out on the weekend on Fox News, and sure enough, it acted just like what we thought it might. It had pretty good volume. You see twice the volume here, 6 million shares. It shot up in the morning, just about like what we expected. It got a high around 11:30 or so. We got all the way up to 739. Could have actually sold there for a little bit of a gain on the ones we're holding for 712, but I wanted to see if it's going to go any higher towards the end of the day or in after hours, which it didn't. It's having a hard time with that $7 level again. That seems to be the hard spot to stay above. Closed above it, but just barely. And you can see in the after hours here, I don't think there's a whole lot of volume with that. Down 1.7% in after hours, but don't think there's a whole lot of volume there, so I'm not really worried about it. We're still down about 1.4% here off of this 702 mark, so could have a good day tomorrow. If it has another 11% day, we won't have it. We'll sell that, but I don't think it's going to have an 11% day, but you never know about these things. So we're going to watch it tomorrow. MPC, let's take a look at MPC. It kind of fought all day with its stock, and it did stay flat pretty much today, and then it had a little run into the close here. If you can see in that little chart there, it did manage to get out over 0.5% gain. So we're going to keep an eye on that one. We're down about 3.8% on that one still, so we're still waiting on that one. Didn't cost average. I don't like to cost average at the same spots, and that's something we just don't do. That's just throwing the same money. So throwing the same money at the same money. So not an opportunity to cost average there. That's okay. We prefer them to go up. EXAS, we're not even holding any of that, but they had a pretty good day. The buy range there that we've traded the last couple of times has been around the 89, 90, 91 level, somewhere like that. So it's not anywhere close right now. Could have a bad day tomorrow, who knows? But we'll keep an eye on that. CLF's flat today, as you can see, down to maybe 1%. Not going to touch this one anytime soon, I don't think, because earnings is on the 20th. Now, you know, that buy range there is probably going to be 725, somewhere around there. If it were to hit 725 tomorrow, I may jump on it, but because we're 10 days out from earnings, you got to be real careful there. So we'll take a look at that and just watch that real close. But 10 days out from earnings is, you know, you're getting close to that danger zone. I don't like to buy right at earnings. ACB, we talked about that one last night, hoping it would find a bottom today at 165. Didn't do that. It kept going down. I also mentioned that the CEO was leaving, and I thought they had bad earnings, but the earnings has not happened yet. As a matter of fact, the earnings is Friday, so we will not be touching this one more than likely this week, because I'm definitely not going to touch it before the earnings come out. A CEO leaving, I doubt the news is going to be good come earnings time. So let's go ahead and take a look at the pre-market for tomorrow. Let's go ahead and pull up our CNBC app here. Okay, so what we can see here, let's go ahead and make sure we got this refreshed. Okay, so the Nikkei is down, looks like, and we've got the Shanghai up just a little bit, and Hong Kong's up a little bit as well. So kind of flat there, really. If you look at the three different markets, we've got one down, two up, one's just barely up. So we'll call that kind of flat. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the oil while we're here. Oil looks like we're going up again on the oil price, which hopefully again will help our MPC and some of our other stocks that we have that may involve oil. And let's go ahead and go over to our pre-market, take a look at that. Pre-market, you see where you do show the Dow futures up by 78 points, S&P up 9.75, and the NASDAQ up 45.50. So looks like we may start tomorrow in good shape. Nothing really exciting seemed to happen on after hours today. So we'll be just going and take a look at that tomorrow and just game plan for tomorrow. I think what we'll do is we'll just take a look at that open in the market. Going to have a close eye on the NVAX as always. Hopefully we can get a little bump in that in the morning and trade out of that last trade that we had at 712. Other than that, we're just going to watch a couple of the other stocks on our portfolio. We've got MPCs, may have a chance there. They're still 3.8% out, so that would be something that would probably be another day or so out before we can actually do anything with that. So it's going to be a little while on the MPC. We'll keep an eye on that cliff. It may get low enough, and if it does, we may jump on some of that, even though we're 10 days out on the earnings. But just hope you are enjoying the videos. Hope you enjoy the comments and the things that are going on with the broadcast here. We're having a lot of fun with it. I hope you are too. Don't forget to like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Share the videos with your friends. I picked up another subscriber today. I want to thank whoever that was. Appreciate you joining in. And just look for a video tomorrow. Like I said, I'm going to be probably posting a video daily this week. So look for another video tomorrow and continue to watch the ones that we posted. Even when it just talks about the title, something about checking out the next day, we always have some kind of information that might be useful to you when it comes to trading. So take a look at some of those videos. They're just not meant for that previous day or that day that we're talking about. So again, thank you for everything. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you have a great day of trading tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great night.